Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you a really dynamite and powerful self-defense technique that does not take any strength or physical ability, really, and that is the headbutt. But I'd say 100% of the people who are untrained do this move wrong. So I'm going to show you the right way to use it, and I'm also going to show you what context would you actually use this move. So the wrong way to do a headbutt is this. There's no power in it. You're using your neck to bring your head forward. The right way to do it is to bend at the waist, and this stays all in line, and this is a long lever. It's all the way from the waist. It's the power of your whole torso focused right here, and that will break somebody's nose. So I have another trained fighter here. She's gonna help me use her as a dummy today, and I'm just gonna show you, I just want you to look at this context. First of all, spatial pattern with fighting. You're this far away. If somebody's this far away, look, I can use a kick. If she's a little bit closer, I can use a punch. Okay, if she's a little bit closer, I can do an elbow. But if she's already up on me, right, she's already this close to me, boom. I'll do it one more time, boom. My head goes right into her nose. Now, also, you can use this from the back. So let's do, what if somebody runs up on you and does a bear hug? Okay, so once again, I'm bending at the waist. I might use a little bit of neck in this one. Bam! I'm gonna drive my head back. Bam! And that, she's gonna release that grip. Okay, how about a chokehold? A choke from the back. This isn't gonna work with all chokeholds, but with this one it will. So I'll grab here and then bam! Bam! I'm using my whole torso. Let me show you a choke this is not gonna work with. Go ahead and put a Nelson on me. This one I can't because she's already got the back of my head. This is a Nelson. Thank you. That one, you know, your head's already immobilized, so you can't headbutt them from there. But practice on your own. Practice just boom, bending at the waist. And if you have a heavy bag or access to something padded that you can try this, I do this, you know, at the gym on a heavy bag too, just to make sure I stay sharp with this technique. Bam! And that's it. Broken nose, you're out of there. I'll see you soon.